subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo is reportedly gearing up to launch its new smartphone under A series called Oppo A55s, and before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by 91 mobiles. According to leaks, the Oppo A55s will feature a flat screen with small bezels on the edges, and it has a hole punch at the top left corner for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone appears to have an AI-featured dual camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The volume rockers are visible on the left edge, while the power button is on the right side, and it is suggested to come in mint green and black color options. Apart from this, the Oppo A55 is also spotted on Geekbench listing that suggests the phone to come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 chipset, paired with 4GB of RAM, and it will pack with 3890 mAh battery with 10W charging support. So as of now, that's all we know about the Oppo A55s smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.